Okay, this is the new phone from Vivo X300, co-engineered with Zeiss. So yung camera niya, camera lens is made by Zeiss. Version 200 MP, Zeiss main camera, 90 watts na flash charge, 40 watts na wireless charging. Okay, IP68 at saka IP69 na dust and water resistance. Okay, this is a 200 MP Zeiss 8PO telephoto camera, Dimensity 9500, about IP68, IP69, dust and water resistance, 6500 milliamp, Blue Volt battery, 90 watt fast flash charge sa wired, at sa wireless naman 40 watts. Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose and you're watching again another episode of Apps in Charlie. This is December 2025, so Merry Christmas to all, and we're here at the Vivo concept store, this SM Fairview. So if you're planning to go here and go shopping for Christmas with your 30-month pay, don't forget about Vivo, no? And they have new phones, no? That's gonna be released this December 6. Pwede na kayong mag-pre-order. Mamaya makikita niyo yung sinasabi ko. Nasa high-end siyang part, but you know, if you can afford that, then what the heck, no? Just buy it. Maganda siya. Okay, so what are we waiting for? Let's check out the prices for this December, for the December update. Let's go! Okay, this is the Vivo Y19. Vivo Y19. Vivo Y19s. Vivo Y19s. Comes in two variants, 5,999 and 7,999. This is the Vivo V50 Lite. Vivo V50 Lite 5G. Nice, huh? Matte finishing. This is the Vivo Y04. This is the Vivo Y21D. Vivo Y21D. That's IP68 and IP69, 6,500 milliamp and 44 watt fast charging. This is the Vivo Y29. Marble white. Okay. Medyo curve yung screen. This is the Vivo V65G. Okay, this is the new phone from Vivo X300, co-engineered with Zeiss. So yung camera niya, camera lens is made by Zeiss. It's 67,999. Meron siyang 200 MP Zeiss main camera. At saka Dimensity 9500, 6040 milliamp blue volt battery, 90 watts na flash charge, 40 watts na wireless charging. Okay, IP68 at saka IP69 na dust and water resistance. So actually, this is gonna be available on December 6. Pwede na kayo mag-pre-order dito sa SM Fairview, kung saan natin kinukuhanan tong bagong phone ng Vivo. Diba? Okay ito. Tingnan natin yung camera. Okay. So, sa video, may 4K siya. Ayan, 4K 60. 4K 60, tapos 1080, 30, 60 din. 4K, 30, and 60. Diba? Cool. Okay na okay ito pang vlog. But it's gonna cost you a bit. Ano pang pwede mong piliin? Front, rear. Meron pa pala selection to. 1080p, 60, 30 sa front. Sa rear naman, 4K hanggang 60 frames per second. Okay, lowest niya 720. Okay. So, more din. May Pro. May Pro video. Ayan. Pro video, may wide angle pa. Sa mga vloggers dyan na gusto pang mag-level up ang kanila, this one's for the photography. So, may wide angle, tapos your usual ISO, and then white balance, etc. Pero exciting dito, may video. Yan. Portrait. Siyempre, pag portrait, ganyan. Tapos, pwede mong i-blur yung background. Ayan, na-blur na yung background. Night. Snapshot. Photo, video, micro movie. Ayan. May preset sila, tapos pupunan mo lang yan. Tapos meron pa silang mapipili na pwede kang kumuha ng food, super moon, tapos stage din, portrait video, ultra HD, pano, at saka high res. Okay, this is the Vivo X300 Pro with Zeiss lens. Okay, partnership. This is a 200 MP Zeiss APO telephoto camera, Dimensity 9500, at saka IP68 na siya, rating niya. no? At saka what? IP68, IP69, dust and water resistance, 6,500 milliamp, Blue Volt battery, 90 watt fast flash charge sa wired. It's a wireless naman, 40 watts wireless charging. Okay. So, tingnan natin close up. Okay, nice. Kukunin natin specs na to. Ipopost natin dito. Pareho yung sa Vivo X300 at saka itong Vivo X300 Pro. So, pag Pro, dapat so, pareho din naman dun sa meron sa more, tapos meron Pro version, meron cam, may video, ayan video, ito cam. Okay. Then video, ganun din. So, yan ang Pro. Maganda siya. Quality. Meron 77,999 plus accessories. And it's December time to shop, and don't forget Vivo as part of your shopping list. And what else? Don't forget to like it, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.